Welcome to your yoga practice. This session is designed to gently open your body and guide you toward one of the most requested goals in flexibility, the splits. Think of this flow as your daily journey, not just stretching your muscles, but also building patience, breath awareness, and discipline. With consistent practice, your hips, hamstrings, and entire body will gradually release, bringing you closer to your full split. Your challenge is to commit to showing up for yourself every day. With time, the sequence will feel natural, your breath will flow more easily, and your body will respond with greater freedom. Let's begin. Sit comfortably on your mat, cross-legged. Rest your hands gently on your knees. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale fully through your mouth. Again, inhale, 2, 3, and exhale, 2, 3. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Gently open your eyes. Now, let's warm up the spine with our first movement. Begin on your hands and knees, with wrists under shoulders and knees under hips. This is tabletop position. Inhale, drop your belly and lift through your heart. This is cow pose. Exhale, round your back and gently tuck your chin. This is cat pose. Inhale, soften the belly and lift through the chest, cow pose. Exhale, press the ground away and round the back, cat pose. Inhale, expand through the front body, cow pose. Exhale, stretch through the back body, cat pose. Inhale, create space across the collarbones, cow pose. Exhale, draw the navel in, cat pose. Inhale, tilt the hips upward, cow pose. Exhale, curl the spine gently, cat pose. Return to a neutral tabletop with the back flat and gaze soft. That is your cat-cow pose. From tabletop, tuck your toes and gently lift your body up and back into an inverted V shape. Reach your heels toward the ground and keep your spine long. You can slowly pedal your feet to warm up the back of the legs. Hold for 5 breaths. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 That is your downward facing dog pose. From downward facing dog, inhale and gently walk your feet forward toward your hands. Exhale as you let your upper body hang heavy over your legs. Keep your knees slightly bent if needed, and let your arms dangle or hold opposite elbows. Relax your neck completely. Hold for 5 breaths. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. That is your standing forward fold pose. From standing forward fold, inhale and lift your chest halfway, lengthening your spine. Exhale, step your left foot back about 3 feet, keeping both legs straight. Square your body forward. Place your hands on your front leg, on blocks, or down to the mat. Keep your back long as you gently fold forward. Hold for guided breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now gently inhale, lift your chest halfway up, and step your left foot forward to meet your right. Exhale fully. Switch sides. Step your right foot back, keep both legs straight, fold forward over your left leg. Hold for guided breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly inhale, lift halfway up, step your right foot forward to meet your left, and exhale deeply. That is your pyramid pose. From pyramid pose, slowly inhale, lift halfway up. Exhale, bend your front knee deeply. On your next inhaler, step your right foot forward between your hands. Exhale, lower your back knee down onto the mat. Sink your hips forward as you lift your chest. Hands can stay on the floor, on blocks, or reach overhead if it feels comfortable. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now gently inhale, bring your hands back down to the mat. Exhale, step your right foot back to meet your left in tabletop or downward dog. Switch sides. Step your left foot forward, lower your right knee down. Sink hips forward, chest open. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly inhale. Bring your hands back down to the mat. Exhale, step your left foot back to meet your right. That is your low lunge pose. From your lunge, bring both hands down to the floor. Walk your front foot a little to the side for comfort. You can stay on your hands or lower a bit closer to the mat if that feels good. Your back leg stays long and steady. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, gently return your hands to the floor. Step your front foot back so both legs meet. Switch sides. Bring your other foot forward, hands to the floor, easing into the pose at your own pace. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. When you are ready, step your foot back again and come to your starting position. That is your lizard pose. Slowly inhale, press back into your hands. Exhale, step your foot back to meet the other in downward facing dog. On your next inhale, walk your feet towards your hands and come to stand tall at the top of your mat. Exhale, step your feet wide apart, about 3 to 4 feet. Place your hands on your hips. Inhale, lengthen your spine, lifting tall through the crown of your head. Exhale, fold forward from your hips, bringing your hands down to the floor. Relax your head and neck completely, letting them hang heavy. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On your next inhale, lift your chest halfway up, lengthening your spine. Exhale, bring your hands to your hips. Inhale again, slowly rise all the way up to standing. That is your wide-legged forward fold pose. From standing, bend your knees and carefully come to the floor in a tabletop position. Slowly widen your stance until you find a comfortable stretch. Keep your feet angled outward. If it feels okay, ease onto your forearms and breathe deeply. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. When you are ready, place your hands down, gently bring your stance back in, and return to a neutral tabletop. That is your frog pose. From frog pose, breathe in and return to a steady table position. Tuck your toes, breathe in, and lift into downward dog. Now step your right leg forward, placing it across the mat. Stretch your back leg long behind you. Soften forward, resting your arms ahead. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in, walk your hands back, and rise tall. Breathe out, tuck your toes, press into the ground, and step back into downward dog. Switch sides. Step your left leg forward across the mat. Stretch the other leg back. Ease your body forward, arms resting down in front. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. Walk your hands back and rise. Breathe out, tuck your toes, press into the ground, and return to downward dog. That is your pigeon pose. From downward dog, breathe in and step your right foot forward. Breathe out. Let your back leg rest gently down. On your next inhale, begin to shift your weight back. Straighten your front leg, keeping your heels steady and toes lifting upward. Exhale, soften your upper body forward. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in, lift slightly. Breathe out, bend your front leg to return to the starting stance. Inhale, step back into downward dog. Now switch sides. Inhale, step your left foot forward. Exhale, rest your back leg down. Inhale, shift your weight back, straighten your front leg, toes lifting. Exhale, soften forward. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in, lift slightly. Breathe out. Bend your front leg, returning to the stance. Inhale, step back into downward dog. That is your half splits pose. From downward facing dog, inhale and step your right foot forward between your hands into a low lunge. Exhale, lower your back knee to the mat. Inhale, shift your hips back into half splits, straightening your front leg. Now exhale and begin to slowly slide your front heel forward and your back knee back, lowering your hips gently toward the floor. Keep your chest lifted and use blocks under your hands or thighs for support if needed. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, on. On your next inhale, gently press into your hands. Exhale, bend your front knee and guide yourself back into a low lunge. Inhale, step your right foot back into downward facing dog. Now switch sides. Inhale, step your left foot forward between your hands. Exhale, lower your right knee down. Inhale, shift your hips back into half splits. Exhale, slowly slide your left heel forward and your back knee back, lowering hips toward the floor. Support with blocks if needed. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On your next inhale, press into your hands. Exhale, bend into your front knee, returning to low lunge. Inhale, step your left foot back into downward facing dog. That is your splits pose. From downward facing dog, inhale and gently lower your knees to the mat. Cross your ankles, exhale and sit back onto the floor. Extend both legs straight out in front of you. Inhale, reach your arms up toward the sky, lengthening your spine. Exhale, fold forward from your hips, reaching your hands toward your feet, ankles, or shins wherever they land comfortably. Relax your shoulders and let your head release down. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On your next inhale, slowly lift your chest and rise back up to seated. Exhale, rest your hands on your thighs. That is your seated forward fold pose. From your seated position, inhale and slowly lower down onto your back with control. Exhale, let your shoulders relax onto the mat. Inhale, hug both knees into your chest. Exhale, drop your knees gently over to the right side, stacking them together. Extend both arms out wide into a T shape, palms facing up. Keep your shoulders grounded. Turn your head gently to the left if it feels good. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, bring your knees back to center, hugging them in. Exhale, gently drop your knees over to the left side. Arms stay extended in a T, and this time, turn your head softly to the right. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On your next inhale, bring your knees back to center, hugging them into your chest. Exhale, release, and prepare for your final resting pose. That is your supine twist pose. From hugging your knees into your chest, inhale deeply, and as you exhale, release your legs down long onto the mat. Let your feet fall open naturally to the sides. Rest your arms alongside your body, palms facing up, fingers relaxed. Close your eyes and soften your jaw. Let your shoulders melt into the floor. Now, settle into stillness and breathe naturally. If you'd like, you can notice the gentle rhythm of your breath without changing it. We'll stay here for 5 slow guided breaths together. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Remain here in your Savasana, allowing your body to fully relax, resting for another minute or two in quiet stillness. slow, deep breath in and let it go. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, inviting movement back into your body. When you're ready, roll over to your right side, pausing there for a moment in stillness. Press yourself up slowly into a comfortable seated position, hands resting on your knees or drawn together at your heart. Your practice is complete. I'm so proud of you for showing up today, for giving your body, mind, and spirit this time of care. Remember, this sequence is designed to support your journey toward the splits, but along the way, you're also building strength, flexibility, and inner calm. Carry this sense of balance and ease with you throughout your day. Thank you for practicing with me. Come back to your mat tomorrow, and let's grow together again. Namaste.